I'm gonna sacrifice this Nicolite. Uranium? No, save that. Sticky resin, keep that too. I have 6 tungsten ore that I'm gonna use up on diamond. Feathers you can use. And flint you can use. Sugarcane, we have a sugarcane farm for. We have bone meal. Let's see, gunpowder, flowers. Alright. We're gonna go carbon neutral like Simon wanted his eventually, but for now, yeah, yep. Alright, you have 10. It's good. Take it out. We're gonna make, let's see. We don't need iron anymore, that's a fact. We need coal, that's what we need. Alright. Let's do this. Put in the coal. Alright. Now we don't need to make a condenser, but we could use a collector. Yikes. We need glowstone. Alright. Yeah, we do. You might not sing like that again. Alright, 10. What? A bow? Throw it to you. Alright. Probably use some tools. Can you make copper armor? You said earlier something about copper armor. No, you can't. No. Yeah, don't touch it. Bad boy. It takes dust. Takes dust. Chicken nugget. You're disgusting. Come on, yeah, booger. Enough. None. Da-da-da-da-da. Bling, bling. Now we have an electric wrench. Hallelujah. Why do you need it? For what? We don't need personal safes, dude. Not until Chris joins. That bastard. He'd probably freaking nuke the house. I don't know if it takes uranium to make a nuke. Maybe you're right. Doesn't even tell you how to make it. Oh, jeez. Wait a second. If that says diamond and coal to make it, then why did it... What? Should have like nearly 9,000 EMC on it. Oh, it's nighttime? Didn't even know that. Yeah, much better. I forget what I need gold for. Oh yeah, 10 gears. For a quarry. Next step is to make a quarry. Let's do this. Do you still have that wood on you?
I put it in the furnace. I mean, not the furnace.
The chest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't worry about it. Alright, let's see. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 gears. In order to make a quarry. So, this is good. Alright. And then, just surround that. Oh, gotta put that in the... Huh. How much cobble did you use?
You told me to leave 5.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I mean, only 4 left.
Never mind. I was thinking about making stone brick, but then I realized we need cobble anyway. Alright.
You know I'm gonna have to make wooden gears?
I already have them. Don't make any.
Okay. Is there anything you need help with too?
Just go mining.
I can't do that. Sir.
Told you were scared, and you said you weren't scared. Lying piece of poop.
Go fill up the empty cells. Sir.
No, stop saying sir before I slap you, sir. Just call me ma'am.
No.
Liar. Liar. Alright.